All right, good evening. It is December 5th, 2022, Monday. What happened in the market today? It was red times 10. So let's take a look at Apple first. But if we look over to the right and you see all the tickers that I'm following, you got the dollar red, 20-year bond red, chip companies red. NDQ, SPX, SPY, everybody was red today. So what's going on with the market, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you what you should prepare for tomorrow. So let's start with Apple. Very simple. I just want to mark off the resistance levels for you guys so you can see Apple is still under a very short but sweet resistance, and it's going to continue to go down, it looks like. We have our MACD flipping on Apple, and the last histogram for today on there is red. Okay, so let's go over to Amazon. So Amazon, one of the things that we teach in the bull ring is add an indicator. It's called TD sequential. It tells you anywhere from 1 to 9 days, right? The cycle of the stock. If there's no news, if there's nothing interrupting it, you're going to see a normal cycle like we have here. You have 1 through 9, and then it flips. But then we have news, and they can flip it back. But when we have a normal stock market, TD sequential will tell you just about where the stock is going to go for about 9 days. Now, sometimes it will finish short. Up here, you see it got up to 8, and then we didn't get a 9. We just went to a 1 red. Okay. So today, Amazon registered their first red TD sequential, which shows me that the market is not liking what's going on and people are selling off. Okay. Now we have Tesla. Okay. Tesla is on its last, looks like it might be the last day of the TD sequential. Okay, now it did break a trend line here that I have. It's a nice resistance line, and it came up, but now it's turning around, it's coming down. And if you notice here, I'm going to highlight this for you. It is right under the 5-day moving average, which, if you remember from previous videos, this is a very bearish candle. Okay, so we have Microsoft. Microsoft was leading the pack the other day. Okay, and now we have Microsoft go into 1, 2, 3. So now we have a triple top from Microsoft. What is it going to do? Well, it looks like it's going down. Google's trying to do the same thing. We can see kind of a double top in here and maybe a triple top there, but it followed Microsoft, so it didn't finish and go all the way up to its previous top. All right, so then now the big question, which is where's the stock market going? I want to show you guys SPX and SPY, which, if you guys know these two stocks, they are always going to be identical. Just a difference in prices for options purposes. Okay, so let's go at SPX. SPX has had a very nice resistance line. Okay, it's almost picture perfect on the way down. And if you notice where it stopped every single time, okay, I'm just going to highlight it here real quick, but then I'm going to show you a better chart. So you can see we've kind of respected this, and the stock just continues to hit that line and turn around. So I'm going to come over to my master chart on SPX with my little ghost rider there to the left, but you can see the same line. You see the 4 dots I drew for you is right here. Okay, so now this line here is being respected. Okay, and if you remember from previous videos, okay, these are our waves. So wave 1 was the blue wave. We broke through that. Okay, and we came back up, hit resistance, and wave 2 is this green line. We broke that. Okay, now we hit resistance again, and this is wave 3. If we go past wave 3, it's not going to be pretty, folks. Not at all. So we might see a bounce here. Okay, for all we know, we could see a pullback tomorrow. Okay, or maybe the next day or so. I think we go down for one more day. Okay, just like here. You see we've had a couple days here red, couple days red, and then we go up. and now we're going red. So I wouldn't be surprised if we pulled back for one more day and then just shot through. Okay, but all the data I've seen is showing this stock is going downtown. So be prepared, don't be surprised. Okay, if you don't understand how to do options trading or any type of common share trading, guys, I'm gonna leave you a link below. There's some free courses here on the channel, but I'm gonna leave you a link below so you guys can check out the bull ring courses for beginners, and I also have some novice ones, and the link you click below is going to give you 25% off the courses. Okay, but for now we're still in a downtrend, and the stock market is respecting that resistance line that you see there, which is the yellow one. Let me bring it down for you. Okay, so do this on your own if you want to see it. Okay, I have courses, but this is something you should practice daily so you understand what's going on with the stock market. So tomorrow we might see a little spike, and then we should see the downtrend continue. But remember, we are in wave 3 and we might break it. So be prepared. And if you're not paper trading, then you're not practicing. Make sure you guys are paper trading every single day so you get better. Okay, so until the next update, guys, it's Coach Avalos bringing you another market update and wishing you a green day tomorrow.